Now we're going to take a look at what's called a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. And that's basically when you make two stem and leaf plots side by side where two data sets share the same stem. And this allows us to visualize the distribution side by side and compare where each class tends to have higher or lower values. So let's take a look at this data set. We have comparison of weekly reading hours for two classes. We have Class A and Class B. So in both data sets, we have the minimum and all the values is 10, and the maximum is 34. So that means we're going to have stems 1, 2, and 3. Let me highlight the stems and leaves again. So the stems are highlighted in green. And let's make the leaves in yellow, and the leaves should always be the last digit. We have a shared stem column in the middle, and the stems are 1, 2, and 3. And then on each side, we have our different data sets. We have Class A on the left and Class B on the right. Let's look at Class B first. For a stem of 1, we have 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, and 17. Now, for the stem of 2, we have 5, 7, 8, and 9. Now, we're not going to put a 0 by stem 3 because if I put that 0 there to indicate that there's no values for stem 3, that might confuse the user and think that you actually have a value of 30. So if you have no leaves to put, then don't put any. So just like in the previous example, we want to make sure that the values are increasing left to right, coming out from the stem. When you're doing a stem and leaf plot that's side by side, when you're doing your data set that's on the left, you want it to be increasing coming out from the right to left. So the smaller number should be closer to the stem. So when I look at Class A and I look for any values associated with stem 1, going out to the left, from right to left, I'm going to write the smaller leaves first. So I have a 12, a 14, a 15, an 18, and a 19. Then for my 2s, I have a 20, a 21, a 22, a 24. And then for my 3s, I have a 31, 32, and 34.